Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 11 years, and this is a Tennant S5 sweeper. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So we have a worn brush and we have to replace it. This is how you do it. There are 3 Phillips head screws right here on this side, and then you rotate the brush and there are 3 more Phillips head screws that you have to take out. Now find the other 3 and remove those screws too. And now the 2 halves of the brush separate. Just like that. I do want to mention, when reinstalling, the brush rod here is square. So when you put it back in, you line up 1/2 kind of like a diamond shape. Just like that. Then the other half lines up on top. And now you can insert the screws. So now we rotate the brush. And screw in the other 3. It is the same step for the bottom. To replace your bottom brush too, just find the 6 screws, take those out, replace your brush, put it back together, screw those back in. I do also want to mention that you can install these brushes wrong or upside down. Make sure that when you're installing the new brush, the top brush, it's angled like this, up, and your bottom brush is angled down, so it's creating a diamond effect. Because when the brushes spin, one spins in, one spins in, and it pushes everything into the hopper. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.